Hello everybody and welcome to episode 4 of the series. So, this episode we're gonna quickly put in commands for our passenger trains. So I'm gonna have train 1 as the Nedeston to Chinwell commuter, East, and then back to Nedeston. Then we're going to have train 2 as the express service. Chinwell, Nedeston, Fort Dartway, and Downwood. Oh wait, I gotta have the other way around. Nedeston. Lovely. So now that should clear up any confusion that might happen later on. And now we have the branch to Downwood Central. I'm gonna go rename that Downwood Winery. Wait, I got an idea. Winery space. Ta-da! It works. And I'm gonna make a second. Come on! There we go. I'm gonna make a second platform to Downwood Winery. That way, trains can load up on food from Downwood Winery and then take that food back to Chinwell. So, what should we get here? Maybe another Sterling. And we get to use these same kind of... yeah, that's good. Get to use the same rolling stock that the food train does, which is lovely. Downwood Winery. Full load of food, it did unload all food. Let's just quickly check. Yep, it does accept food. Then we've got our trucks. So maybe we could also create a small truck link for some of the grapes. Okay, so we've got cargo loading bay here at Chinwell. Delete that road and have a cargo loading bay. Sorry, but it kind of looks ugly, but whatever. I'm gonna have it head along to Downwood Winery. Get out rough road this time. So it kind of blends in with there, see?